Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Guerra. Today we will be working on lesson 33, page 109. So when I say go, you will have 10 seconds to write your name at the top of the paper and park your pencils. Ready, set, and go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Your pencils should be parked. All right, so we're going to get started with our first problem. So put your finger on the trains. I will read you the directions. The directions say fill in the number sentence to match the story. So listen to the story. There were 7 trains. 2 trains rolled away. Now there are 5 trains. So before I get started, I'm going to circle my sign so that I know what kind of problem I'm working. I see that I circled a minus sign, so I'm working a minus problem or a takeaway problem. When we work a takeaway problem, our whole number always goes in the first spot. So we're going to count the trains so we know how many we have all together. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 is our whole. It is our first number that goes in the first blank. We're going to take away some trains. It says 2 trains rolled away. So what is our takeaway number? Yes, 2. So I'm going to write 2 right here. And I'm going to cross out 2 trains. Now we need to figure out how many trains are left over. Remember, we can't count the trains that we crossed out because those trains already went away. So let's count the ones that are left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5. All right, now let's go to the next one. We are now on the cars. I will read you the problem and you're going to work this problem by yourself. So listen to the story. It says there were 9 cars at the stop sign. 7 drove away. There are 2 left. So when I say go, you're going to circle your sign so that you know what kind of problem you're working. And then park your pencils when you are done. Ready, set, and go. All right, now we're going to move on to the next one. The next one says there were 10 people. 6 people got on the bus. Now there are 4 people. So remember to circle your sign and park your pencils when you are done. And go. All right, now we are going to continue on to the next page. We're on page 110. So I'm going to read the directions for you. Put your finger on the first box. The directions say, draw the story. Fill in the number sentence to match. So it says, the bus had 10 people. 5 people got off. Now there are 5 people left. So I'm going to circle my sign so that I know what kind of problem I'm working. What kind of problem am I working? Yes, a takeaway problem or a minus problem. So it says that I have 10 people. I'm going to draw my people. I'm going to draw circles because it's going to be a little bit easier for me because I'm trying to do this on my computer. That's why it looks funny. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I remembered to draw the 5 group way. I have 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. 5 and 5 make, yes, 10. 10 is my whole. That's how many people I have that are on the bus. 5 people got off. So my takeaway number is, yes, 5. So I'm going to write 10 minus 5. I'm going to cross out my 5 people that got off the bus. 1, 2, 3, 4, and Now we need to figure out how many are left. Remember that when we work a takeaway problem, I can't count the people that I already crossed out. So I'm only going to count the top row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 minus 5 equals 5. All right, you're going to do the next one by yourself. I'll read you the story and you draw the picture to match the story and fill in your number sentence. There were 9 planes in the sky. 3 planes landed. Now there are 6 planes in the sky. When I say go, don't forget to circle your sign so that you know what kind of problem you're working. Ready, set, and go. Okay, friends, now we're moving on to page 111, the page with the teddy bears. So I will read the directions for you. It says fill in the number sentence and the number bond. So listen to the story. We're on the first one with the teddy bears. It says there were 10 teddy bears. Cross out 2 bears. There are 8 bears left. So if you look at your number sentence and your number bond, you will see that they already wrote the whole for you. So they're saying that our whole is 10. Let's count our teddy bears to make sure that we have 10 all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I have 10 as my whole, and I'm circling my sign so that I know that I'm working a takeaway or a minus problem. So it says to cross out 2 bears, 1 and 2. What is my takeaway number? Yes, 2. So 2 is going to go in the next spot. 10 minus 2. Let's count to see how many bears we have left. Remember, since we worked a takeaway problem, we cannot count the bears that we already crossed out. So let's count. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 minus 2 equals 8. So my parts are 2 and 8 that I'm going to fill out in my number bond. All right, you're going to do the next problem by yourself. There were 10 teddy bears. Cross out 9. There is 1 left. When you are done writing your number sentence, don't forget to fill out your number bond. Also, don't forget to circle your sign so that you know what kind of problem you are working. And go. All right, when you are done with that, we will move on to the next one. So I'll read the directions for you. It says there were 10 teddy bears. Cross out 3. There are 7 bears left. Don't forget to circle your sign so you know what kind of problem you are working on. And go. Okay, friends, now we are on the last page. We're on page 112, the picture with the page with the teddy bears and the people. So I'll read you the directions. The directions say, draw a line from the picture to the number sentence it matches. So we're looking for the picture that matches the number sentence. So let's look at our first number sentence. Our first number sentence says 10 minus 1 equals 9. So we're working a minus problem and we're looking for a problem that has 10 as the whole and 1 as the takeaway number. So let's look at the first picture. Let's count the bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is my whole 10? Yes, my whole is 10. Now let's see if we have 1 as a takeaway number. Did they cross out 1 bear? Yes, they crossed out 1 bear. Now let's see if we have 9 left over. Remember, we can't count the bear that we already crossed out, so let's count the other ones. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 minus 1 equals 9. So this picture matches this number sentence. I'm going to let you do the rest of the page by yourself. When you are done, don't forget to have your mommies and daddies take a picture and send it to me. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.